Hi, I'm going to do headstand today with a lot of different variations, and the first one being prayer pose. So you'll still get a lot of the same benefits of being upside down in prayer pose, if this is what you need to get used to first. The next step would be to interlace the fingers and make a little dome with the palms of your hands. That's where your head will be placed. And then the distance between the elbows is the same distance of your forearm. So that's kind of a good thing. Sometimes it's easy for the elbows to splay out with the weight. And if it's too narrow, it'll be very hard to balance. So right in there, pressure will be down. But for now, just getting used to the head being down, you can stay right here, kind of in a table on your elbows and head down posture. Next will be a dolphin variation. So down dog with the elbows down. And this is a really great place to start as far as building up the shoulder, chest, and upper back strength to do a headstand. So sometimes headstands are actually meant to be more of a forearm stand because we don't want all that weight in the neck. So if you're moving on, you may want to go to a wall at this point, but walk the feet in as close as you can get them, pressing down through the forearms and the elbows, and maybe play with lifting one foot away from the floor and just playing with the balance there, as well as staying engaged through the arms. So if you feel balance there, or you're using the wall, rest your lower back against the wall. Maybe both legs come up and the knees are bent to keep the balance low. And then, depending on your comfort level, possibly the legs go up, being mindful of the strength in your arms, shoulders, upper torso, and then bending the knees to come down. And resting, if that's as far as you're going today, just rest in child's pose, keeping the head lower than the heart. If you're moving on, walk the feet in as close as you can. And if you're working on maybe coming up with both legs straight, possibly work one at a time, one leg at a time, kind of getting used to that. And then maybe both legs come up. Maybe you're at the wall. Strength down through the arms, up through the spine, all the way to the toes. Breathing. And as you're ready, making your way down, maybe bending the knees, or playing with the legs straight. Resting and pausing. Give yourself a lot of space here to just regulate the blood flow. Inhale and exhale. Also here, it's very important to keep the neck neutral. I'm going to keep my neck neutral and say thank you for joining me. Namaste.